Here is another launchpad on Bybit. On your Bybit, come to your dashboard, press more, and navigate to this launchpad. Press launchpad, and right here you'll be able to find this token PBUX. And best way to make money in crypto is buying a token before you started trading on a crypto exchange. And you have two options to get this token. It's either you participate in lottery ticket option, or you subscription mode. You will need to subscribe MNT, and first thing you need to do is you press join. The snapshot period is going to start in 1 day, 13 hours, 4 minutes. And right here, just press join, and it will bring you over here. And right here, I will be participating using this USDT, because holding USDT on your BitGet account, you just need to participate in this lottery system. But if you'll be staking MNT, you need to have this average holding of 50 of the worth of this token, and that's all you need to meet the requirements you need for you to participate in this first option or second option over here. Note, lottery, you need to have hold a minimum of $100 worth of USDT, and right here you need to hold a minimum of $100 USDT. You receive a 200 PBUX if you win a lottery ticket. So that's how much you will receive, and the price for this token is 0.075 USDT, and total allocation for subscription is 2 million of this token, and total allocation for lottery is 2 million also. So, and you can come over here to read the timeline and snapshot period, and this snapshot period is going to start in 1 day, 13 hours, 30 minutes, and followed by subscription or lottery. So if you are holding $100, just wait for this lottery to start, and once you pass this lottery or you got a ticket, you can just redeem your token and sell this token on the marketplace when you start trading and make profits. And there's some series of video I've made about this project launchpad on Bybit. There are some my followers, my subscribers that make ton of money with this kind of process. Mind you, note, crypto generally takes carry risk, and know what you are investing in, and take this video as educational purpose. And if you get value in this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell.